shows up at my house, I open it, and I see that it's an electric skateboard, so I'm stoked. You know, again, don't have my hopes up too high, but I take it out of the package. They're like the new Petries ruining my intros. But yeah, I took it out, I hit the gas, and it sounded like it was going really, really fast. I jump on it, I gave it a try, and it is really, really fast. The remote and a battery charger. Plug the charger in right there. On button is right here. It'll turn blue. Then all you have to do is flip this on and yeah, pretty serious. Good test. Now I just got to make it back. Oh, tree. Oh, that was fun. This thing is sick. Thank you, Koowheel, so much. I highly, highly recommend this. If you can't afford a boosted board, this is a pretty dope alternative.
It finally came. Cameron just told me this was outside. I went and picked it up. It is a Koowheel skateboard. If you can read, that's what it's saying. This is so much fun!
Say, because it's very cold, I'm really happy that was a hardcore test. So 11-12 kilometers is possible. You can find the detailed values down below in the description. I will have a closer look when I'm home. So if you're more lightweight, if it's summer and if you have a spare battery, the slogan is really true. You can go anywhere. You have then like 40 kilometers of range, and that's pretty awesome for such an electric skateboard. I thought about doing an electric skateboard tour through, I don't know, Europe or something like that, if you have a full backpack out of spare batteries, but I have no idea how to charge them, but I think that would be a really cool video. Anyway, I love the skateboard. Wood is nice, trucks are nice, motors are nice, battery is nice, so I can definitely recommend it if you have the 600 bucks, which is maybe still a little bit too expensive for most of the people. I'm not sure if I should do this. You've seen the brakes before, and that looks evil. But let's go! Whew. Ready to rumble. Hopefully there's no stone on the way. As you can see, the brakes are pretty good, so I'm not accelerating right now, just a little bit. But let's go all the way downhill! Yeah! Yeah! Oh fuck! Oh fuck!